TinyTask versus AutoHotkey. In today's video, we are going to review TinyTask with AutoHotkey. So let's get started. First, we will discuss their features for their comparison. TinyTask is very easy, uses a record and playback function without scripting. It has limited to recorded actions and ideal for simple repetitive tasks like basic data entry. It is very lightweight, uses minimal system resources. It is portable, can be run from a USB drive, and generally safe, but be cautious of downloads from unofficial sources. Now we will talk about AutoHotkey. It has steeper learning curve, requires scripting for more complex tasks, and highly flexible and powerful, can handle complex custom scripts. It is suitable for complex automation, custom shortcuts, and advanced scripting. It is generally lightweight but can be more resource intensive depending on the script. It is also portable, can be run from a USB drive between Windows PCs. It has open source and virus-free protection, but always be careful of the scripts themselves. Both tools are free. TinyTask is tiny and ad-free. AutoHotkey is an open source. I still use TinyTask for trivial one-off macros and AutoHotkey for anything that needs logic or triviality. Choose TinyTask for easy, immediate automation. Choose AutoHotkey if you want powerful, reliable, programmable automation that scales. Both will save you time. Pick the one that matches your need or how much control you want. So that's all about them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.